In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to AutoCAD. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we can do is right click on our project and go to options. Click on options. From here, under options, click on the files. And then where it says support file search path, just go ahead and expand that. Now we need to go ahead and click onto add. And now we need to find where your custom fonts folder is on your computer. So what I'm going to do is open up my file explorer here. Now I'm going to go to, where did I keep it? I think documents. No, it's in my C drive. So here's the file here. So I'm going to right click here and then I'm going to go copy as path. And then I'm going to close this. Now I'm going to go click add again. That disappeared, and control V. Now I'm just going to get rid of these inside of here. And then click apply, OK, and that's how to add fonts into AutoCAD.